Hi guys, RETROCENGO here, welcome back to my channel. I was just going through some of my discs and it's just amazing how much awesome stuff I found in those old discs. One of my main, I don't know what to call it, but one of the best things I know about the Amiga is this crack intro music. Just like on the Commodore 64 with the SID chip, I love crack intros on the Amiga. They're amazing. But having a 16GB compact flash card with WHD load games, I don't enjoy all those crack intros, unfortunately. So every time I find something nice on a disc, I just listen to it all day long with maximum volume. So I want to share this one with you. It's a new one I have found just 2 seconds ago, and I want to share this one with you guys. It's from a Kickoff 2 disc. It's called Kickoff 2 Final Whistle 100%. And listen to it, and when you're done, leave your favorite Amiga crack intro on the comments down below. Something I could listen to also, because this one is great. So it's summer, the sun is shining, it's a beautiful day, and I wish you all a great day. And check this one out guys, just 2 minutes. Isn't that just amazing? Now let me hear what your favorite crack tunes is. Have a nice day guys, bye!